In the previous video, we have discussed about Frederick's dream, and in the next video after this, we have discussed about the French Revolution and Napoleon's rule. So in this video, we will be going 40 years back from the Napoleon's rule, that is French Revolution, and 100 years back from Frederick Sarrieu's dream. So now, let us start the story. So, in mid-18th century, that is 1750s, in Europe, there were no big countries like Germany, Italy or Switzerland. They were divided into tiny kingdoms that are duchies, which are small lands, and cantons, which are tiny areas. So each had its own ruler, its own laws, and even different languages. So they all look like a puzzle. One of the biggest and strangest puzzle was Habsburg Empire. It ruled over the mix of lands and peoples like patchwork quilt. So now let us see what are included in this Habsburg Empire. So it included the complete whole of Austria and Hungary. It also included some parts of Italy, Slovenia, Croatia, Romania, Ukraine, Poland and Slovakia, Czech Republic, Germany, etc. Also included some alpine regions like Tyrol. This Tyrol is the current region of Italy and Austria. Then the Sudetenland and Bohemia, which are the current parts of Czech Republic. So the people who are aristocracy here would speak Germany. And then the Lombardy and Venetia, which are the current parts of Italy region, were speaking Italian. In Hungary, half of the population would speak Magyar, while the other half with other variety of dialects. And then in Galicia, which is the current part of Ukraine and Poland, the people would speak Polish, but the only aristocracy would speak Polish. So now, let us look at the boundaries of this Habsburg Empire. So Bohemia and Slovakia to its north, Croatia and Slovenia to its south, Transylvania to its east. So what is Transylvania? It is the present part of Romania. So this is all about Habsburg Empire. Some people were peasants, some were rich lords, and some were city workers. But they did not feel like one people or one family. There was no common culture or identity between them. The only tie binding these diverse groups together was a common allegiance to the empire. So if you like this video, do like it. If you did not, please dislike it. But do comment what is the reason for disliking it. And also, if anyone want the PDF of this story, please comment it with your contact so that we will be able to share it. And then if you know anyone from 10th class, please share this video to them so that they'll find it helpful and also can retain the lesson for a long period of time because it's just a small story. And also if you want to know the current areas of these countries that we have discussed, do watch the European episode done by me, which just helps you remember all the countries of European continent using just a small story. So I'll just put the links in the description so that you'll be able to see it. Thank you.